for about an hour now, and doing pretty good. It's smoothed up real nicely, so I don't see any problems whatsoever. It's real nice. We're just about halfway down on the G code. See, about halfway through the passes. So we're in it for about an hour and 40 minutes. And it's close to midnight, 12:30. So this will be going into the wee hours of the morning. See if I can see where we're at. Looks like we're right about here. So we've done all this, and we've still got about that much more to go. So just about halfway done. So guess that's it for tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and run through the night, and see what it looks like tomorrow morning. So anyway, hope you liked the video, and can't wait to show the finished pieces. So thanks for watching.